Good morning. It's 31st March, last trading day of March. It's Monday, and yeah, so today I'm looking at silver, possible entry. We'll see if it gives me the setup. Overall, looks very nice to keep moving. We have beautiful targets, all-time highs, and yeah, we have made MB now in the third MB. Overall on context time frame 4th MB, so looks nice to keep delivering. Hopefully it gives me the setup and runs the all-time highs, we'll see. And yeah, so that's basically it. Bitcoin, as you remember yesterday I took an entry right here, got stopped out at break even and market dropped down exactly like I was expecting. But yeah, at the moment still we are in one momentum to the downside. I would wait at least some kind of flush above this high and new setup to present itself, and then keep dropping down. If it does something like this without a flush and without double MBs, then that's it. It is what it is. Then I added this one, and it's basically moving the same as gold, of course, because it's gold to Japanese yen, and yeah, it's moving mostly exactly the same. So at the moment we have 1 MB, we have beautiful flush 1 MB, potentially creating another one, and hopefully keeps running higher. Yeah, then gold is just still extended, and it doesn't have any kind of flush or yeah, so yeah, nothing really to do. You have MB in here, second MB, or this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth MB. So yeah, just to extend it, probably doing something like this and going higher, but at the same time it can still do something like this and keep going higher. So yeah, gold, nothing really on gold. Then on these US30, Nasdaq, I will be looking at sells because we have put in beautiful momentum for bearish side, but we are just a little too extended on entry time frame. I would wait at least something like this and new entries to keep dropping. So yeah, we'll see. Nasdaq the same thing. Then European indexes, nothing really to do. Yeah, we're still bullish on context time frame, but we're just pulling back. So probably flushing on daily, and probably later on this month or next month starting to accumulate. We'll see, but nothing really to do. And the same thing goes for all the other European indices. UK 100 still in this chop, starting to drop down, so probably building the second distribution on the Spanish index also dropping down, Hong Kong dropping down, Italy dropping down, so everything is basically dropping down. Yeah, and then I added also this asset. It's a copper, some kind of metal, I don't even know, I don't really care, but in the context and everything looks good. It's delivering perfectly. Just liquidated the high, so we could potentially see the continuations. So so yeah, just waiting for validation MB, because now I would say this is flush, because we flushed deeply under the EMAs, so I would want to see at least 1 MB and pausing and keep going. Yeah, so something like that. And yeah, then coffee, nothing really to do. Coffee needs an MB, make some kind of strong momentum, some kind of strength in the market, and pause, and inside there of course the same thing. But yeah, at the moment nothing really. US oil, nothing to do for some time. I don't really want to sell US oil, but at the same time it just looks ugly. If you go to weekly, for example, you can see that it's in this potentially, I think it's a stage 1 into leading into stage 2, but for that I need at least context MBs, and that's what I'm waiting for on US oil. If you go to 2-day chart, then yeah, we don't have really anything. We could call, of course, this as a first MB, but it's not enough. I would say really clear 1 MB, clear second MB, and then we are a new good delivery context, and we could see a pause in here and etc. But technicals can change in one candle, so no need to speculate right now. We just need to see one clear MB, second MB, and then keep running higher. But at the moment there is really nothing to do, because yeah, if market wants to make those MBs, it will probably happen in a week or something like that. So yeah, nothing really. Then Bitcoin, I think I already spoke about Bitcoin. No, yeah, I spoke about Bitcoin already. So yeah, that's it basically. There's nothing more. On the stock side, nothing. Everything is of course dropping because the indexes are dropping, and yeah, so yeah, I will look for some stocks that has potential of moving higher because of the tariffs and etc. Because you know, in every economical situation there is few companies that makes money in whatever kind of situation we are in right now in economics. So we'll potentially add some stocks, maybe they are bullish, that just profits from tariffs and etc. So yeah, basically that's it for now, and I will be back once one of the entries that I'm looking for is this one, the silver entry. So yeah, but we still need 28 more minutes, and then I probably am placing an order. So yeah, I'll be back once something happens. I'm back. So yeah, I took a gold trade, gold versus Japanese yen, and yeah, it tapped me in right here and almost stopped me out right here, but then recovered, but unfortunately with this candle got stopped out. So yeah, that's about it. Nothing really to do. I could call this as a third MB already. I wouldn't call this as a flush. Yeah, so nothing really to do. I will not enter like this. Or yeah, basically that's it for now. I need a new setup, something new. Yeah, unfortunately got stopped out. And yeah. Then I was looking, no, actually I was waiting for the flush on Bitcoin, and yeah, finally we had the flush. So I would wait for something, some kind of MB. At the moment nothing really. We have something in here, but still nothing to do. I would expect probably something like this, some chop, and then start to build. We'll see. Again, we are just speculating. Everything can change in one candle, but still, I just need a new setup. So then these these US30 Nasdaq are also pulling back, exactly what I was expecting. Just want to see some kind of pullback and new setup to present itself, to keep going down, because after all this movement there was small chance that we will keep on dropping. And yeah, but of course always anything can happen in the market. But yeah, I was waiting for the flush, and finally we start to see something. So yeah, not on Nasdaq still in this motion, this movement, so maybe it wants to go down and down without any kind of liquidations. We'll see, of course. Yeah, but for me I need at least something, some kind of liquidation to take an entry, because at the moment we are too extended. This would be my entry if we had some kind of flush right here, but like I said, we are just too extended at the moment, and this actually would be a break even, because my entry would be here, my stop would be here. This is 0.8 and it rejected, tapped, break even. So basically, yeah, still I need a flush or something. Then nothing really on any other markets. We can check out higher time frames. Yeah, flushing down, UK going down as well, Spain going down, Hong Kong going down, Italy, same shit. Every Europe stock is going down. French index actually has already first distribution MB and second distribution MB, so we could see something like this, but I wouldn't take any kind of sales at the moment, because overall structure is this, and we are just pulling back on, let's say, weekly, yeah, or monthly, yeah. So yeah, then gold didn't take anything. Yeah, there wasn't anything really to take, like I was speaking before. We were in all this one motion. Want to see some kind of flush. This could be a flush, but still I need double MBs to present itself and then take an entry. Then silver, nothing, just drop down. I was expecting, as you know, I was expecting here to trade. Fell down and failed, and yeah, on 6 hour we are flushing down, so on the 6 hour I need something like this. Copper, nothing, I need validation. US oil starts to break out of, yeah, but nothing soon. Coffee, nothing. So yeah, that's basically it. I took unfortunately one loss, and yeah, so that's about it at the moment. Really nothing more. And yeah, I'll be back once something new happens. So, what has happened? Basically, nothing really. Didn't take anything. As you remember, we had a trade on gold right here. Gold versus Japanese yen. Yeah, I took an entry right here. As you remember, it stopped us out, and now pushing higher. For tomorrow, again, flush and start building and keep on liquidating the highs. Yeah, Bitcoin starts to make something, had its flush as expected, builds first MB and probably then second MB, and then we could take an entry, but that's for tomorrow. US market actually had a good day. It recovered a lot, like 1.4%, and that's big, but yeah, we had a beautiful flush on entry time frame, so now hopefully respecting the EMAs and keep on dropping down. Probably, I don't see anything bullish at the moment. Of course, if we do something like this, then we probably start to put in bullish momentum, and yeah, but we'll see. Nasdaq, nothing really. Also flushed on entry time frame, so expecting something like this. And DAX, nothing really. UK 100, I'd want to get out of this price action, whatever this is. I don't know what it is, I don't like that. Spain, flush down, need validation. Hong Kong, validation. Italy also needs validation. European indexes are not good at the moment. Then gold is pushing higher like always it does, but I'm not in a trade, so yeah, we could call this as a flush, small flush, but yeah, no trades for today. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully it does something like this and starts build new momentum, and then we take a trade. But I will call this as a flush, and potentially if this is the first one, then in the night it does something like this and starts to build, and then yeah, we'll see. It needs to build something. Silver, nothing to do. As you remember, today in the morning I was waiting for entries here, nothing, didn't get anything, and yeah, it failed. Copper, nothing. Coffee, US oil, nothing really. Solana, yeah, I was looking at it, but no, I will not take a trade. Just again, this price action. Bitcoin looks a little bit better. It had this flush, clear MB, and if you look at Solana, we don't have anything. We have fucking this. So yeah, basically that's it for now. As you can see, with that loss on gold, Japanese yen, we are at 18k, and yeah, so that's it for this episode. Again, all these episodes are, all these episodes shows you how really trading is and how you trade in a real market environment. How break-evens and losses actually gives you profitability when the market isn't in the correct context, or it doesn't have a trend in it. You just don't take trades. You just stay out of the market, and that's it. You can just take a look at my profit curve. Like, we had a good month, and now we are just stagnating on this account, just moving nowhere. So yeah, that's how real trading goes. You have good trending market, you have just drawdowns, break evens, etc. And these videos shows you how really is trading. Trading isn't that you are fucking in a trade every single day. You're moving, everything is fast paced. Boom, 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 trade there, sell, buy. No. You're looking for opportunities. Once they present themselves, you're in a trade. If there's nothing to do, you just stay out of the market and wait. So yeah, for tomorrow we have gold and Bitcoin, and probably these two, US market. So yeah, that's it for today, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.